All right, I'm going to show you how to check what apps are running in the background on your Android phone. And I'm also going to kind of explain and clarify a common misconception and point of confusion that people always have about this. So, the basic way to do this is to bring up the app switcher. If you're using the button layout, you'll tap the app switcher button that brings up your recent apps. If you don't see the buttons on your screen, it means your phone is using the swipe-based navigation, like this phone right here. And in that case, you're going to swipe up from the bottom of the display and then sort of stop when you're halfway up. That'll bring up the app switcher. The list of apps you see in the app switcher is essentially just a history of your recently opened apps. Most apps sitting here are actually suspended, meaning Android put them in sort of a frozen state to save battery. They aren't necessarily running live or draining performance unless they are actively doing background work, like downloading a file or playing music. Now, this part kind of depends on the type of phone you have, but on my Samsung, for example, I see a small button in the top left corner saying 2 active apps. And those are the apps that are actually running and doing something in the background, consuming resources. I can tap that, view the apps that are running in the background, and I could stop them from here if I wanted to. That's the real way to check what's currently running in the background. If your phone doesn't show that, or you want to dig a little deeper, there's another way to see what's currently eating up resources. And for that, we're going to turn on the developer options. I'll go to Settings, and then scroll down to the About Phone section. Then we'll look for something called Build Number. Some phones will display it on the bottom. On my Samsung, it's under Software Information. Once you find the build number, you're going to tap it 7 times. Not 6, not 8, but exactly 7 times. Then you'll allow developer settings, and with this, we can view more insights about what's happening under the hood on your phone. Now, with developer options enabled, we'll go back to the main settings, and when you scroll down, you'll see a new menu called Developer Options. On some phones, this will be under System and Developer Options. Then we'll scroll down and tap Running Services, and you're going to see a list of apps and background processes currently running on your phone with the amount of memory taken by each process listed next to it. You're going to see a lot of background processes here that are normally not meant to be visible to the user, but you'll also see your normal apps if they're actively running in the background. I could choose an app here and tell my phone to stop it from running, but that's basically force quitting the app, meaning the app will sort of crash without saving any current progress or settings. Then again, for something like my Spotify playback, that's not really an issue. Anyways, that's how you can see what's running in the background. If you'd like to return your phone back to normal and turn developer options off, you can go back to the developer options menu and simply toggle it off. It'll be gone from your settings and everything will go back to normal. That's all. Like this video if it helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all. Until next time.